everyone, welcome to Embark CAT Prep. I am your mentor Moidin Afsan. So now that your CAT exams are over, a lot of burden on you might have reduced. That is because you have been preparing for this particular exam since the past probably 6 months, or some might have been preparing for even 1 year. So all this does not matter anymore, because what matters is how much you're able to score in this exam. And this is exactly where things get messy. That is because many of the students have screwed up one or the other section in their CAT exam, and this very same thing happened to me as well. So let me show you my CAT scorecard. See here, even after scoring high percentiles in DILR and Quant, my overall percentile was just 97.84. That is because my percentile in VARC was 71.22. And there were many things that happened during the CAT day. So the first thing was that during the first 15 minutes of the exam, there was a lot of disturbance in my exam center. Many people were coming in and going out, and this coupled with a difficult RC section played against me. So I scored a percentile of just 71.22. Now I knew this, that I would be getting such a percentile immediately after the test, and I was completely shattered. I knew that all my hard work since the past 4 to 5 months had been wasted. So if I was like any other student, I would have gone home and I would have taken rest for the next 15 days, thinking that the very same thing will happen in the other tests as well. But I did not do that. I put in extra efforts. I made sure that I correct all my mistakes. I had a new strategy for the upcoming exams, and I was able to ace the upcoming XAT exam with the overall percentile of 99.31. And this was not pure luck. You can see that I was able to reverse my VARC score. My VARC score here was just 71.22, but my VARC score had improved to 96.38 percentile. And for this I had a clear-cut strategy as well. It made a clear-cut strategy for each of these sections. So I understood what needs to be done, how much time I need to devote to each of these sections, what is the minimum score I need in each of these sections. So all these things had been sorted out, and that is the reason I was able to get a high percentile here. And we are planning to share all this knowledge in upcoming 4 sessions. So I'll be conducting 4 sessions where I'll be sharing what is the exact strategy that I adopted for each of these sections, how to approach questions in quantitative ability, verbal ability, and most importantly decision making section. This is because most of the students feel that this section is very difficult. So I will be teaching you what is the logic behind each of these questions in decision making and how to approach them. So in these 4 sections I will be touching upon the entire XAT preparation thing. So if you want to be part of it, join our CAT group and enroll for our 4 sessions where I'll be talking about my XAT preparation strategy. So all the best guys, and keep working hard.